Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me and for you. Today, let me introduce you the TrekPower Jump Starter G22. Oh yeah! It is a jump starter pack, 1500 ampere peak. Car battery booster pro for 12 volt heavy duty diesel and van. And of course, your standard cars. It is a portable lithium-ion power bank, QC3.0 USB charger with jumper cable and protective box. 1500 ampere peak. Woo! This is a lot. Powerful jump starter. That power jump starter starts the 12 volt vehicles up to 8 liters petrol and 6.5 liters diesel with peak 1500 ampere current and capacity of 12,000 milliampere hour battery built in, suitable for car, motorcycle, RV, tractor, light duty trucks, mower, ATVs, snowmobiles, ships for example, and everything what is on the road by using 12 voltage batteries. That jump starter, it is a portable power bank. It is equipped with 2 USB ports, 5 volt, 2.1 ampere and USB 3.0. Type A output port and input C. USB-C, 5 volt, 3 ampere. To charge the smartphone, the iPad, and of course an ADC output channel for 12 volt, 10 ampere. For auto accessories such as port on board air pump and car vacuum cleaner, for example. I was going to use it for my glue gun. But this was before. It has smart battery clamps. Simply attach the clamps of the jump starter and connect the black and the red clip directly to the car battery. Positive is red, negative is minus polarity. Then you can start the car easily. If the car is running, disconnect the clamps from car battery and job's done. That it is. It is so easy. The indicator light flash when it is not able to detect the current, protection and security. The features is a smart clamp over 5 advanced security technologies, including short circuit protection, overload protection, reverse charge from overheating protection, protection from overload, and it makes it completely safe to use for anyone out there. It has a built-in LED light. 4 LED lights as indicators can show the status of the power of the battery. The LED flashlight can rotate lightning, strobe and SOS mode in different situations. Yeah, you will feel safer with that battery power starter. And it has an automatic emergency situation. That car charger will get you more safety because of the light, LEDs, and the jump start function. You can use it up to 8 liter of fuel, petrol, and 6.5 liter of diesel. 1500 ampere. Whoa, these are 2 times 600 ampere peak at the standard mode, and you can have to load with it a phone, a tablet, MP3 player, digital camera, PlayStation Portable, Nintendo Switch, everything what is going to use a USB connection. It is easy to use and it supports so many things. If you are going to use a plug for 12 volt adapter, you can use this power bank for GPS, uh, everything, vacuum cleaner, light inside your car. Everything is possible with it. And it's easy to use because you have the LEDs, you have the intelligent processor inside, and it is so easy to use. Only sit down into the car, open the car hood, then plug the red clamp onto the red pole of your battery, then clamp the minus pole on the black clamp, then sit down, push the button on the power bank, then sit down inside your car and start the engine. Easily, isn't it? This is easy and it works proper. It works easy and fast. That it is a lifesaver emergency thing. Are you being abandoned in the midst of highway with a car battery power? Do not worry. That jump starter can help you solve all those problems. A powerful jump starter for every car. TrekPower emergency jump starter. It features a peak current of 1500 ampere and a battery capacity of 12,000 milliampere hour. This is automatically start any engine with 12 volt petrol, diesel up to 8 liter and up to 6.5 liter the diesel. Also, it is a power bank. The product is for everyone which are going to use a car, and it is easy to store inside the car, and it's easy to use. I told you. You can charge mobile phone, mobile devices, because it comes with a battery life of 120,000 milliampere hours. Sorry, enough for charging everything what is portable at your truck, at your car, but not the big trucks. Okay, pickup trucks 8 liter, petrol and diesel 6.5 liter, 12 volt motorcycles, for example, all motors, boat all to 12 voltage, diesel engine 8 liters, up to 8 liters, and the diesel engine was 6.5 liter and the petrol is 8 liter. The capacity is 120,000. No, it's 12,000 milliampere hour, not 120,000. Sorry. Output of USB ports of 5 volt, 2.1 ampere, and the QC3.0. DC output is 12 volt, 10 ampere for other car electronics. Output and input to Type C, USB Type C, is 5 volt, 3 ampere. LED torches, light mode, strobe, and SOS. The dimensions are 194 to 88 to 28 millimeters. And this is not so big. You will get a jump starter, a smart battery clamp set, a car cigarette lighter charge adapter, a Type C cable, a case, and a manual. And, attention, not start the engine that is exceeded the maximum displacement borne by the unit, or it will cause serious damage to the starter. Do not connect together the positive and the negative polarity when it is turned on. It is required to have a break of 30 seconds after each time to start, and please fully recharge the battery after receiving the product at the first time. Better charge the battery at least once every 3 months to preserve the life of this box. And I like it. Everyone or every car I own have one of jump starter like this here, and it's better. In the past, it was every time a scandal. It was you needed second car for it. You have to need the second guy, the second car, and big jump starter cables for it. Then it is every time you are scary about the high peaks of the battery power in these two cars. And if you place it there, start the engine, only use this booster pack here. And if the engine starts, only thing you have to do is turn the van a little bit more on, or the front lights a little bit more, to increase the peaks a little bit. Then go to the front side, disconnect everything, the car is still running, let it run, and then you're back on the road again. So that it is. I like jump starter for every car it is built for. I like it really much. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.